The girls category, the consolation prize. We'll start with the consolation prize first. I'd like to call upon Mr. Sanjay Shira to hand over the medals and certificate to the consolation winners. So in the sixth position, chest number 21 goes to Rebecca Duparo.
Kene, ngamla apa dia kene meneros kemana? Ngalat nah, mau orang?
Number 6. Then chest number 4 goes to Arjun Kementhongni.
Arjun Kementhongni.
Arjun Kementhongni. The one who came the sixth person, she took a timing of 33 minutes, 38.47 seconds.
Nabek rai kita. Tapi nak mas 1 minit deh.
33 minutes, 04.71 seconds. And the fourth consolation prize goes to Dhaka Kandat, bearing chest number 104. And she took a timing of 41 minutes, 50.64 seconds. Thank you, Mr. Sanjay. I would like to call forward the principal of NAYA. Dr. Vishnu to kindly come forward to hand over the prizes to the female category, the first, second and the third prizes. We'll start from the third, and the third prizes goes to Angelistas Emily, bearing chest number 37. And she clocked a timing of 40 minutes, 49.21 seconds. And the silver goes to Pirnai Kandat, bearing chest number 110. And she clocked a timing of 39 minutes, 44.91 seconds. And the winner in this category goes to Filinza Hansipi, bearing chest number 77. She clocked a timing of 39 minutes, 24.45 seconds. Once again, I request all the medal winners, including the consolation, to kindly come here. All the medal winners, girls, all the medal winners, the first, second, third, up to sixth position, kindly come forward. Right from the consolation to the winners, I would like to call upon the director of NAYA. The sixth position goes to chest number 643, Harbinson Marvin. And he clocked the timing of Mr. Harbinson clocked the timing of 31 minutes, 0.12 seconds. The fifth consolation prize goes to Pirkhat Basuchang, wearing chest number 676. Pirkhat Basuchang. And Mr. Pirkhat, he clocked a timing of 31 minutes, 04 seconds. And the fourth consolation prize goes to Dayo Maitre Sutu, wearing chest number 649. And Mr. Dayo will clock a timing of 30 minutes, 53 seconds. And the third prize in this category among the men, Wanbok L. Mawang. Wearing test number 658. And Mr. Wanbok, he clocked a timing of 30 minutes, 35 seconds. Second position in this category goes to Rishan Mehi Renklam. Wearing test number 690. And he clocked a timing of 30 minutes, 33 seconds. And in the 10K open category male, the first position goes to Van Kerman L. Mawang. And he clocked a timing of 30.16, 30 minutes and 16 seconds. Once again, I request all the male winners, first, second, third, up to 6 positions, kindly come forward. We'll have a group photo